about our tea. Ayan po.
Hello guys, good morning. Welcome ulit sa ating BNC, no? And I'm here. Meron tayong special topic for today. And we've been hearing this for every day, no? Yung ating tinatawag na ating mga tea. And we have these two kinds of tea na nasa Philippines ngayon. And we have this ating yung flagship natin na herbal concentrate tea na may dalawang flavor. And yung bago natin na tea, yung tinatawag nating retreat, no? And we will talk about this one. So let me share my slides para makwento ko rin sa inyo yung result ko. So I've been in Herbalife for 10 years na po, ano? Medyo matagal-tagal na po kami sa Herbalife products together with my family. And by the way, meron po kaming 9 kids and 8 of them are still living. So every day po, ito lang po yung ginagawa namin. We just take our healthy breakfast. And as you can see, yung result ko dyan, no? I lost about 25 pounds. Kasi alam niyo mo, hindi naman na, ano no, na that the world is populated with overweights. Sa Pilipinas nga, 36.6% na tayo na overweight dito. And we have so much things to do when you're part of this amazing company. So pag overweight ka, marami kang pains, yung mga aches na nararanasan everyday, pains, discomfort. Sabi nga, my toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head. Yan po yun, ano? And so we use the product, sinunod namin yung coach namin and I lost amazing 25 pounds and 7 inches in my waistline. At yung mga lahat ng mga issue about health, unti-unti pong nawala yan. Together with my wife also na nag-lose siya ng 40 pounds. And my kids, usong-uso ngayon yan, yung mga allergy, no? Yung mga nahihirapan sa breathing problems, and all those stuffs na it's because of the unhealthy diet. So yan po yung aming result. And true enough po, pagka meron kang result dito sa Herbalife, talagang you cannot help but share the product. And by sharing the product, we started at 25%. Amazingly, ngayon po, we are enjoying 50%. So, you ask the people who invited you here, kung bago lang kayo, how to get to that percentage para ma-maximize po ninyo yung paggamit ng product natin. Ano? And of course, keeping in touch with this community sa BNC para matugunan po natin lahat po ng ating questions about the products, about the company, and how to get well every day. Hi nga pala dyan sa ating mga bagong family member dyan sa New Jersey and New York. Ano? Hello Ma'am Andrade, Agulto, si Sir Agulto and si Manuel. No? So how are you guys today? So let us go to our topic now. No? When we talk about our tea products, we should have think about ordinary tea. Pero ito po ibang klase po ang tea natin, ano? But before that one, yung global pa po, yung global na pag-recognize po ng tea today, grabe po, no? Most widely consumed beverages in the world, no? Pinaka ano po siya, no? Talagang bestseller po ang tea natin na kumbaga lahat ng mga tao yata umiinom ng tea. Pero maraming types of tea, maraming flavors na available diyan. Meron din siyang culture significance in many countries, yung diverse taste and potential health benefits. Yun po yung ating yung bakit tayo umiinom ng tea. So, throughout its long history, yung tea po has evolved into medical herb. Uh, from a medical herb to a symbol of hospitality. So pagka may mga bisita tayo, in-offer natin yung tea natin na yan, no? And So in many tradition. So ang history po ng tea is very rich. So pero kung maikwento ko lang sandali po, no, yung legend na yan, it started 2027-37 BC, BCE, no? So matagal na pala at alam niyo kung paano na-discover yung tea na yan. So according to Chinese legend, ang pagka-discover po ng tea back to Emperor Xianlong, no? And there was a farmer there na nagpapakulo siya ng tubig, nahulog lang yung tea leaves doon sa pinapakuluan niya. And that's the history, no? Naging ano na yung tea na yan. And throughout the years, in 19th centuries po, na-invento na yung tea bag na yan. Aksidente rin. Aksidente yung paano na-discover yung tea bags na yan. It was Thomas Sullivan. Gusto niyang magbigay ng sample sa iba-ibang bansa, and then ginawa niyang tea bag, and then eventually we became yung tea bag na yan. So napakatindi po, and so on and so forth hanggang sa dumating na po sa era natin, no, anti, no? So we start with this our flagship herbal tea concentrate. Sabi nga diyan, no, yung ating product is infused with natural extract from green and black tea to support mental acuity while providing you the additional boost of energy. So ang galing, ano? And to help you focus on your daily tasks. Kasi tayo naman, we have different tasks every day. No? It's either high intensity na task na yan, or being a mom na you work in the kitchen. Lahat po yan, no? And this tea has its flavor. Meron po tayong apple chamomile, and we have also the original. So ano po ang key ingredients nitong ating number one tea na to? Nasabi ko nga, green tea, we have orange pekoe, meron din siyang black tea, and hibiscus, and cardamom. So how do you take this tea? So simple lang po, no? 1/2 teaspoon lang. It will give you an siguro mga 250 ml na hot water will do. And ang maganda pa nito, you can enjoy it even kung gusto niyo ng medyo cold beverages, you can put ice on it. Kaya magiging iced tea siya, no? So alam niyo yung green and black tea helps you to stay sharp and boost your mental alertness. Teas have antioxidant din po. Pagka sinabi nating antioxidant, it benefits, talagang maganda sa katawan natin, anti-aging, and boost your energy. So, lahat ba pwedeng uminom ng tea natin? Well, of course, those who need to boost to support their energy level, number one yan. Those who lead a stressful and hectic lifestyle, kailangan mag-relax-relax, we have this tea also, no? And those people na nag-i-engage po sa exercise, whether it's really vigorous exercise, you really need to boost your energy. So sa exercise, maganda po ito. And doon po sa gusto na maging sharp and to support their mental alertness. Ito po ang tea natin. It's really, really good. Okay? So next, alam niyo po, our company, we partner with some of the world's best tea leaf supplier. So hindi lang po basta-basta kung saan natin pinupulot tong tea natin. Our tea product is carefully crafted and tested using rigorous quality standard. Kakaiba po tayo sa ibang gumagawa ng tea. And in fact, all those tea makers out there, they use ang kanilang base to extract is ethanol, alcohol. Sa atin po, water extract po ang ginagamit natin. So yung facility natin is world class and state-of-the-art facility to extract our very own tea. For more than 40 years po, we have harnessed the power of plants in our tea products that reflects our commitment to our customer to deliver a high-quality products, no? And ingredients that are convenient and it can be enjoyed any time of the day. So quality begins with using premium products. Yan po yung tandaan ninyo. That is why we source our tea from the farmers po na matagal na po sila nag-harvest ng tea and generation by generation. One of the oldest, most fertile regions po na sa Fujian province in China. So panoorin niyo po itong magandang video na to so that you can really relate how powerful is our tea and the quality.
At Herbalife Nutrition, quality is at the heart of everything we do. And that dedication begins with the very best ingredients, which is why we source our tea from one of the oldest and most fertile regions. From farmers who have been harvesting tea for generations. Located high in the mountains, the terrain, the rich soil, and the climate all combine together to create the perfect conditions for growing the world's finest teas. Our dedicated farmers ensure only the most ripened and fragrant tea leaves are harvested. It is this place and these farmers that Herbalife Nutrition turns to in its search for only the very best for our customers. And it is this expertise and devotion from generations of farmers that go into crafting our teas, so that millions of people around the world can come together to enjoy the natural benefits and refreshing taste of real tea.
Okay, so amazing, ano? Can I get a thumbs up there? Napakaganda ng ating tea. So the next one is the tea na especially made for those people talaga na has a special thing about na sa work nila, ano, and before this one we have to really tackle about stress, no? Kasi sabi nga dito, stress is our body's response to pressure. It is often triggered when we experience something new, unexpected, or that threatens our sense of self, and when we have a little control over the situation. So too much stress can cause negative effects. Alam natin yon. It can leave us a permanent state of flight or mode, no, na tatakbo ka ba or you have to fight, leaving us overwhelmed and unable to cope in a long term. So nagiging chronic stress siya. This can affect our physical and mental health, no? Ano po ito, no? Ang tawag dito, silent killer po ang stress, no? Stress is one of the biggest issue sa workplace natin, maari din sa pamilya natin, and having a healthy work-life balance is difficult task. Siyempre, halimbawa, employee ka, you cannot really control all the people around you. So marami pong stress levels na kinakaharap, no? It can cause domino effects on other areas, no, sa buhay mo, no? So the next one is we have to realize po, no, across Asia Pacific, ito po yung statistic, no, 76% of consumers says that they are actively seeking ways to reduce stress. So talagang very timely po itong paglabas ng tea na to, ano? 72% ng mga Gen Zs, yung mga bata pa ngayon, no, in Asia Pacific experience increased stress level, no? Yung 57% naman experience worsened mental health. So definitely this kind of tea na bago natin ngayon na dumating sa Pilipinas, it's really timely, no? So consumers are looking for product that helps them to reduce stress and promote relaxation, no? So ano yung hinahanap nila? Gusto nila yung product that can really boost immune system, and 29% of them are looking. Yung mga tao na gusto talaga ma-reduce yung kanilang feeling of stress, no? Usually when they go home, gusto nilang mag-relax. 18% of them. And to promote relaxation, 14%. So these are the statistics. So eto na, no? Ito na yung ating tea, no? And I'm drinking right now. Minix ko yung dalawang tea. Pinag-eksperimentohan ko yan. Ang sarap po, no? So formulated with a herbal blend of lemon balm. So masarap yung lasa niya, medyo minty ang flavor niya. and it has 4 calories lang. So napakababa po, no? Wala siyang sugar added. Guys, wala siyang sugar added. And wala siyang caffeine. Okay? So, available siya in yung peppermint flavor. Alam niyo yung flavor na yun, napakaganda nun. And of course, no artificial color. Kung ano yung kulay niya, ganun talaga yon. So add a little calm to your day with herbal retreat tea. So ito siya, meron siyang passion flower, lavender, meron siyang tinatawag na chamomile. Okay? So, kung wala siyang caffeine, so perfect siya sa afternoon or evening para mag-unwind ka, no? Pagkatapos mo ng busy day. Okay? So, it's all about soothing the body and mind. It supports to calm the body, and syempre yung mga occasional stress na yan, ma-address po dito sa tea na to. And of course, kung medyo naghahanap ka na medyo yung mood mo nag-swing palagi, you have to have this tea. And also to support you with a restful sleep. Bago matulog, mag-take muna ng tea. Okay? So ayan po yung mga ingredients niya, no? So etong mga to, these are herbs na kilala na talaga siya, no? Native to Europe, itong lemon balm na to. And lavender naman, yung fragrant plant na meron siyang minty flavor sa family ng mint. Sa ancient time, ginagamit na siya, no? Pwede rin siyang gamitin as a perfume, no? Yung itong lavender na to. And of course, chamomile, alam natin na very beneficial po yan sa pag-rest ng katawan. And the passion flower also, na-discover na yan sa 16th century. So pinaghalo-halo po lahat ng scientists natin yan. But of course, yung potency niya lalong tumataas. You really have to have this tea kung hindi nyo pa nasusubukan. So ayan, sino yung kailangan yan? Sinabi ko na lahat, no? All sort of life, kung ano man ang inyong ginagawa ngayon sa buhay, dagdagan nyo po ng pamparelax yung ating retreat tea. So how to enjoy it? Kung yung kanina ay 1/2 teaspoon, ito po, konti lang po, no? 1/4 teaspoon lang siya and you're good to go. So any tea, anytime. So you can compare that one. So yun po guys, it's all there. Ang kailangan nyo lang is tikman yung ating dalawang tea na yan and incorporate it sa lifestyle ninyo. So thank you very much sa pakikinig natin, and I hope you're having a good day today. So back to you, Jane.
Ayan. Thank you po, Coach Alvin, for that informative topic po about sa ating tea. Ayan. Thank you din po, everyone. So, dito na rin po nagtatapos ang ating Virtual Nutrition Club po for today. And thank you for joining sa lahat po ng mga guests and members po. See you po tomorrow. Magja-join po ulit tayo tomorrow po for another topic po. Thank you po.
So know that you're stronger. Choose to be happier. It can happen if you say.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
Congratulations, Jane, Cherry Lou, and Alvin.
Baby, memories will all fade if you say. Tomorrow. Now.